got fast in black lungs, made of clove splintered shards. They're the kind that will talk through wheezing of cars. And I hear him every night, in every bar, in every time. It just makes me laugh.
Take me, Spanish caravan. Yes, I know you can. Lost in the sea, I know where treasure is waiting for me. Silver and gold in the mountains of Spain. I have to see you again in the chain. Take me, Spanish caravan. Yes, I know you can.
Do I have to change my name? Will it get me far? Should I lose some weight? Am I gonna be a star?
Tried to be a boy, I tried to be a girl, I tried to be a mess, I tried to be the best. I guess I did it wrong, that's why I wrote this song. This type of modern life, is it for me? This type of modern life, is it for free? So I went into a bar, looking for sympathy, a little company. I tried to find a friend. It's more easily said, it's always been the same. This type of modern life is not for me. This type of modern life is not for free. Oh, American life. American life. I live the American dream. American dream. You are the best thing I've seen. You are not just a dream. American life. I tried to stay ahead. I tried to stay on top. I tried to play the part, but somehow I forgot just what I did it for and why I wanted more. This type of modern life, is it for me? This type of modern life, is it for free?
Do I have to change my name? Will it get me far? Should I lose some weight? Am I gonna be a star?
Oh, American life. American life. I live the American dream. American you are the best thing I've seen. You are not just a dream. American life. American life. Tried to be a boy, tried to be a girl, tried to be a mess, tried to be the best, tried to find a friend, tried to stay ahead, tried to stay on top. Fuck it.
Do I have to change my name? Will it get me far? Should I lose some